Good afternoon, welcome to Tony's Bonsai. I've got something a bit special for you today. I think you're going to really enjoy it. You might recognise this hawthorn. I took the wire off it a few videos ago because it was beginning to bite in, and after I'd removed the wire, the branches didn't come back all the way, but they moved back a long way from the position that I'd moved them into. But the tips and the new buds were too soft for me to rewire, so I've left it about a month and I'm ready now to reapply some wire, and then I'm going to try a technique that I've copied off another bonsai YouTuber's videos. I can't actually remember his name. You'll all have seen his video, he does the really fancy ones. And I'm going to try some stop motion. So once the tree's wired, I'm going to do stop motion where you can see me manipulating the branches into position. So that's something exciting. And I'm from Preston, and I presume you've seen the Wallace and Gromit films, but the guy who did all that stop motion is a chap called Nick Park. He actually went to my school, so maybe there's a bit of stop motion heritage there and I'll have a natural ability for it, but we'll see in a minute. You'll be able to judge. But first of all, let's get the wire on this tree and then I can crack on. That went okay. I just lost one branch which I knocked off, so not too bad. I've realised as I was doing it that I'm not going to be wiring all the little side branches, so I don't think this stop motion is going to last very long because it's just the main structural branches, but I'm going to do it anyway as a learning exercise so that in future I can incorporate this into my videos. So here goes. As expected, it's quite a quick little stop motion film, but I really enjoyed doing it, and I'm definitely going to do more in the future, but I'll do ones where there's more branches for me to move back and forth. I'm pleased with how it's gone. I've got the main branches with at least one type of movement, so moving one way and then the other way at the bases. I've had a small mishap where one of the larger branches has kind of torn away, but I bent it back into position and I think it will be fine. But what I do need to know is plant this at an angle where it's going to be the most healthy. This is the spot for the tree, but at the moment it's obviously leaning over in a windswept style, which is what I want. So I'm going to place this brick under the base there, wedge that in position, and now the branches are pointing up towards the light. This has ended up a fairly quick video today, just quickly showing you me wiring and then designing this windswept hawthorn. From this angle you can really see how I've tilted the pot to allow these branches to move up towards the light, and that's going to help them set in the new place. As always, thanks for joining me. If you've enjoyed the content and you want to see how this tree progresses in the future, hit subscribe. But the main thing, have a great day and I'll see you soon.